The 2025 Hummer H1 concept strikes an aggressive pose at the front, showcasing a bold grille design with a modernized twist on the iconic slotted pattern. Signature LED lighting frames the grille, while a chunky, reinforced bumper integrates tow hooks and a winch, highlighting the vehicle's off-road readiness. The massive hood is sculpted with aggressive lines, giving it a powerful and dominant stance. An elevated ground clearance, widened fenders, and an armored skid plate complete the menacing look. Inside, the seats are a blend of functionality and comfort, with heavy-duty leather and reinforced bolsters that keep occupants secure during off-road maneuvers. Front seats come with heating, ventilation, and massage features, while rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and optional captain's chairs. Modular seat back storage and integrated tech ports cater to utility and connectivity on the go. Step inside, and the dashboard of the 2025 H1 is a fusion of tactical utility and modern luxury. The wide dash features brushed aluminum accents, a massive digital display stretching across the center, and physical toggles inspired by military equipment. A heads-up display projects critical data onto the windshield, and customizable drive modes are accessible via a rotary dial. Materials feel durable yet premium, with rubberized grips and stitched leather surfaces designed to endure rugged adventures. The 2025 Hummer H1 concept wheels are massive 20-inch beadlock rims wrapped in rugged 40-inch all-terrain tires, designed for extreme durability and off-road dominance. Under the hood, the 2025 H1 concept is expected to feature a tri-motor all-electric powertrain, delivering over 1,000 horsepower and instant torque. GM's Ultium battery platform allows for a range exceeding 400 miles and supports fast charging. The undercarriage is armored for protection, and off-road sensors feed live data to the cockpit for enhanced navigation. At the rear, or front-rear integration, the H1 concept redefines utility. A rear-mounted spare tire, modular storage compartments, and a deployable roof rack system create versatility for overland adventures. The tailgate features a built-in workbench, while integrated LEDs provide illumination for nighttime setups.